Standard 5 Term 1 Social Science. Welcome friends, today we are going to see about Unit 1 Our Earth. Come daddy.
What, Emaya? Had you have your snacks?
Yes, I had.
What are you doing? Have you completed your homework?
My social teacher told to draw solar system. Will you please help me?
Sure, yes.
She is going to teach about Earth tomorrow. She told to gather information about Earth. Please tell me about that, Dad.
Oh, okay, I will tell you.
How did the Earth originate?
Millions of years ago, an explosion called the Big Bang occurred. Numerous stars and celestial bodies came into existence by that massive explosion. These celestial bodies together called the universe. It is also referred to as cosmos.
This is the image of nebula zone. Will you explain about universe, Daddy?
Yes, the universe is a vast expanse of space. The universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and natural satellites. The exact size of the universe is still unknown. The scientist believes that the universe is still expanding outwards.
What is the galaxy, Daddy?
So this is the galaxy of our Earth. The galaxy has a huge clusters of stars. Our galaxy is also called Milky Way, is one of the countless millions of galaxies in the universe. This is the Milky Way of our galaxy.
Okay, Daddy, what is solar system?
Solar system consists of the sun, the planets, their moons, dwarf planets, asteroids, and comets. These objects are gravitationally bound.
Very interesting, Dad. Tell me about our solar system.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. The outer planets are called gaseous planets. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The inner rocky planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are also called terrestrial planets. The frozen planets are Uranus and Neptune. This is the solar family of the system, sun system. Do you identify which position the Earth is?
Third planet.
Okay, good.
Then where is our Earth, Daddy?
The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and fifth largest in the solar system.
It is said that the Earth is rotating itself and at the same time revolving around the Sun. Is it true?
Yes, it has two movements. They are rotations and revolution. The Earth rotates on its axis. It is called rotation of the Earth. It also revolves around the Sun. It is also called revolution of the Earth. The day and the night are caused due to the Earth rotation. Seasons are caused by Earth revolution. Life is possible only on the Earth because of the presence of land, air, and water. So this is the picture of summer. It is lies between the month of March to May. So you know the summer holiday for your school, no? And this is the winter. It is lie between the month of December to February. In that winter, you have the winter holidays like Christmas and Pongal. So this is the west monsoon. It is lies on the month between June to September. And the northeast monsoon, it is lies between October and November.
Oh, I see. What is the distance between the Sun and the Earth?
The distance is nearly 150 million kilometers between the Sun and the Earth.
Say some interesting facts about planets, Dad.
Yes, Mercury and Venus lies near the Sun. Next to the Earth is Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune The other planets near to the sun are very hot. The planets away from the sun are very cold. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus is called the Earth twin of our solar system. Mars is described as the red planet, and the Earth is also called the blue planet. The Saturn is the ringed planet.
Wow, amazing. Where do we live on the earth?
We live on the surface of the earth. It is made up of 7 continents and 5 oceans.
7 continents? What are they?
Listen, they are the Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia.
Which is the biggest continent?
These are the continent and oceans. North America, South America, Africa, Asia, Antarctica. And the biggest continent is Asia continent, where we live is the biggest. And the Australia is the smallest one. The Antarctica continent is full of snow.
What are the 5 oceans, Daddy?
Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Do you know that around 97% of the planet ocean is in the ocean?
Is it so, Daddy?
So this is our Asia continent map. Yes, around 71% of the earth is covered by salt water, and that is called as ocean. Only 2.5% of water is fresh and 1% of it is easily accessible.
Thank you, Daddy. Today I have learnt a lot about the earth from you. Now I am going to study and do my homework.
Okay, Maya, go and study. Let's fill the blanks. The distance between earth and the sun is
150 million kilometers. Dash is caused due to revolution of the earth. Seasons. The continent which is covered by ice is Antarctica. The biggest continent is Asia. Dash is described as red planet, Mars. Dash percentage of our earth is covered by salt water, 71%. Match the following. Smallest continent, blue planet, Neptune. Smallest continent, Australia, blue planet, Earth, Neptune, fattest planet. Define the origin of the Earth. Earth, along with the other planets, is believed to have been born 4.5 billion years ago as a solidified cloud of dust and gases left over from the creation of the sun. Around it, a thin but fairly stable crust of solid rock formed as Earth cooled. Define solar system. The collection of 8 planets and their moons in orbit round the sun together with smallest bodies in the form of asteroids, meteoroids and comets. How many oceans are there in the earth? There are 5 oceans in the earth: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Distinguish between rotation and revolution. When an object turns around an internal axis like the earth turns around its axis, it is called a rotation. When an object circles an external axis like the earth circles the sun, it is called a revolution. Paragraph. What do you know about universe? The universe is all of space and time and the contents including planets, galaxies and all other form of matters and energy. Scientists believe that the universe is still expanding outward. Write about the nature of the planet Earth. Earth, our home, is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet known to have an atmosphere containing free oxygen, oceans of water on its surface. Earth is the fifth largest of the planets in the solar system. Earth is the only planet in the galaxy that can support life. The Earth provides for us a place to live, a place to sustain our humanity needs. Please like my video and subscribe our channel.